Everyone, welcome to another session of Coursera Introduction to Programming with MATLAB Week 3. In the previous lecture, we have been seen about the two lectures of external tool. Two lectures, one is Week 2 and another lecture we saw about the both graded tools of Week 3. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the Week 3 quiz. So in this one, we consisting of all the things, whatever the with the help of the colon operator, what is the matrix operation, what is the matrix indexing, that and all we are going to see in this session. Okay, let's have a quick review on this one. So let's go to try this one. So you will be having so such a silly things here. So you need not to worry. I'll going to explain here itself. Okay. So you can take this one and I will be hold it itself. Okay, okay, okay. Here I am taking. Okay, let's for the sake of this one, I am removing this one. Okay, this is there, right? So okay, let's delete remaining part which are unnecessary to us because it will make us to confuse, right? So to avoid confusion, we are using this one. Okay. So here it is given A is equals to 0, comma, semicolon, 0, semicolon, 1, transpose of 1. 0, semicolon, 0, semicolon, transpose of 1. When we put the semicolon in MATLAB, it consisting of column vector, but it is like transpose. When it is having in transpose form, so what you will understand, it will be converted into row matrix. Okay. So it means 0, 0, 1 is old transpose in column matrix. Transpose is going to be changed into row matrix. So you will be having 1 2 3 elements like this way. Okay, I will add here itself. Don't worry. Okay, you will be having elements like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Put a bracket over here and put a bracket. Okay, and then immediately you will be having an element such that, oh sorry, it is dragged below to that one, kindly bear with us. Okay, we have this question, this is done. Okay, next, apart from that, you will be having a row matrix of 0 0 1. Correct, right? So you need to multiply the things such a way that it has to produce a matrix of column as given here itself. Whether it will produce column matrix, row matrix, or else we need to find, right? So okay. So it is 3 cross 3. It is 1 cross 3. First matrix of columns is equals to second matrix column. So it is absolutely matrix multiplication is valid. So 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 4. 1 into 7 is 7. Next, column is changed into row. So 7, 8, 9 is going to be get an answer such that it will form an row matrix. Otherwise, if you have doubts, then I will execute in MATLAB command itself. Okay, you will understand in there itself. Okay, here you can see. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience because it has to restart. I have been open since a long time. So because of that problem, it is going to be restarted. So wait for some time. Okay. So I pasted over the things. Okay. When I enter the button, hit enter. What you will get, because it is processing, right? So it will take time. So you can clearly notice that 7 8 9, which is a row matrix. Okay, which is a row matrix. So answer for this one is row matrix. Next, what will be the values s after the command s is equals to 1 to 4 minus 2 with the increment of 2 at to 5, 3, 1, 0 minus 5, and what is the overall value? Okay, control C. I am going to paste over there itself. Okay, going to take another thing, another notes. Okay, I will explain here. Let's take a notes. Okay, so 1 to 4. So 1 to 4, right? We need to enter the elements such that it has to produce an element of 1, 2, 3, 4. In second row, what we have with the increment of 2 minus 2, 2, right? Minus 2, 0, 2, and then 4. Okay, with increment of 2. Next, what we have 3, 1, 0, and then we have minus 1. These are the elements. What it is asking, this is a matrix of A. It means A is equals to end minus 1, end minus 1. It means what is the matrix of size? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1 means 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. That means it is asking second row, third element. This is the second row. First row, first column, second column, third column. What is the element? P of 2 comma 3 is 2. The variable 2 is the answer. So it is asking 2. Next, which of the following is invalid variable name? Is a valid variable name. It consisting of either underscores, variable name, or anything name, but it does not consist of any exclamation mark in the first. So this is the wrong. You cannot use numbers as a variable name. So this is the best answer. Next, after this command b is equals to 11 with the decrement of minus 11 and 1, how many elements will we have? So we directly execute, then we'll understand, right, how many elements will we have. So in my opinion, it is having 11 elements. Okay, we'll see whether it is having 11 elements or not. So it is saying that 1 cross 11, right? Okay, sorry, I forgot to remove the semicolon. That's why it is not displaying the elements. Okay, okay, it will display. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 elements. So it is having 11 elements. So how many elements does it having? 11 elements. Next. In MATLAB, operators work on. It means operators in the sense plus, comma, minus, multiplication. All these operator where work, right? You can, if you take the variable like so 2 plus 3. What we call 2 plus 3? 2 and 3 we call as operands. What is the operator here? Plus. Plus 3 we call operator. 2 and 3 are called operands. It will works on the operands. Next. Matrix multiplication works if two operands. Okay. This is a quite interesting question. Okay. Suppose I think that A is a matrix which is having a n cross n. N cross n. Okay. Similarly, B is the same matrix. B also a matrix which is having 1 cross n. It means it satisfies the first matrix rows is equals to second matrix columns, or second matrix rows is equals to first matrix columns. Then it satisfies, then it obeys the matrix multiplication, and both the vectors should be scalars, and both are a square of same size. It means 1 cross 3 or 3 cross 1. 3 cross 3 is less. So both the matrix as a square matrix. So all the options should be correct here. The variable t after these commands v is equals to 1 with increment of 3 with 33. T is equals to v of n. What is the element? It means if you keep on increment of 3, 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21, 24, 27, 31, No, no, sorry. 21, 24. After that, 27, 27, 30. 1 to start from 1, right? 1 plus 3, 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13, 16, 19, 21, 24. No, sorry. We'll execute this one, right? Okay. If we keep on counting means it will be not a valid statement also for me. Okay. Okay. We'll end up this sessions. Okay. Here itself. So t is equals to 31. End element should be the 31 is the last element. Next. The variable after these commands t is equals to 16 colon minus 4 colon 1. It means it forms a row matrix of 16, 4, 16, 12, 4, 1. After transposing, it will create a column matrix with power of 2. Then it will what it will create? It will create a 4 element vector. It means a row column vector it will produce. Okay. Next, the value of p after this command. It means value. What is the value? It is asking whether what is the value of 12 3. That is not asking how much. What is the value? It means whether it will create how many. What is the row it will create and what does the exact meaning of that one. Okay, we'll wind up this one here itself. You can clearly notice here itself. Okay, it is a matrix of 3 cross 4 matrix. For the mistake I have it done, so you can clearly, this is the row matrix and this is the element 2 and I had no sorry, this is the element, this one is consisting of 11 elements. This works on operands. Matrix multiplication works if it two operands are vectors, especially first column and the second one column is the second column of row. So this is right, scalar right, same size right. So this is it. Okay. I have mentioned there itself right why it is going to okay. It will create a 4 element vector. Okay. This is the we are going to get the wrong command right. Let's execute this one. What it is asking right, we need to compensate. I'm going to compensate this error why it is getting. Most probably I forgot this one to explain you people. Okay, so this is right. What it is asking right? P assigning a variable called size of what is the size of A. Okay, so it is printing right 3, 4. What is 3 and what is 4? It is asking right. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, seventh row, seventh. 3 rows and 4 columns. This is the size of A. 3 by 4. That is correct. 3 by 4 is the correct answer, right? Will be a 3 by 4 matrix. Will be a 2 element vector. The value of P after this command. It means what it is asking means whether it is 3 cross 4 element vector or it is not asking. What is the final value it is asking? What is the final value? 3, 4. It means one row and two columns, right? So it is a two element vector. It is a two element vector. Okay, array multiplication means have the same matrix. Okay, this is how this will happen. Sometimes we may also make mistakes, right? So because of that, we got some error in the previous lectures. Don't think bad. We'll move into next. So because of refreshing, I got some error. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed till now our channel, hopes you will soon come to subscribe our channel and you will be getting more updates of our channel. Thank you for watching.